do this fuel tank on the ground, man. Because you can't depend on people. Well, let me see what I gotta get myself into. I didn't even start recording, huh? I'm currently underneath the car. This is where the repair was done. Here. But that wasn't holding. So I'm just gonna replace the holes. Seems as though I couldn't get a tank with all the lines. They just had to, one line had to be sacrificed. And it seemed like it was this one every time, which I took from that is the old tank. This is the new tank going in. And this is where the line broke at. I mean, see here, that is, this is that right here. So what I did is I cut this off the old tank. Got this part. This is the part that I need. This is the part that I need. So I'm going to reattach here. I'm going to reattach. I'm going to get inventive. I'm going to go to the parts store right now, see if I can find something to put here to connect them, as well as so I can clamp it. So I'm gonna try to see if I can find like some type of sleeve to go in here and connect here. Also a rubber hose to go over it, just so it can be sealed, because all this is a part of the evap system of the gas tank. And if you have a leak, you're gonna forever have a check engine light, and it'll be all because of a leak right here. So I'm gonna try to make this happen without a leak. I might have to clean this cut up a little bit more, but let's try to make it work, man. You know, day to life of a DIYer, man. New gas tank with gas pumps are in. Problem I'm running into right now is it's empty. This tank has a bunch of fuel in it. I'm going to try to get the fuel out of this tank into that one. Be right back. Alright, cool. So I transferred as much of the fuel as I could out of this tank, which now you can see where it was broken at. It's a nice size hole. I seen it. Here it is. That was the hole in the tank, which means he hit something or something. But got some fuel in her. Still got to hook up the put the exhaust back, but let's see what happens, yo. Let's see what happens.